Catholic churches in the country held a mass in memory of Pope Francis. Here's the latest from the Philippine churches.
Devotees, priests, and laity attended the mass held at the Manila Cathedral for the death of Pope Francis on Tuesday. It was led by Manila Archbishop Jose Cardinal Advincula. Papal Nuncio to the Philippines Archbishop Charles Brown also participated in the mass.
In the last 2 months, I've been asking you to pray for him, and you responded with great generosity and great love for your Lolo Kiko.
The message of Cardinal Advincula centered on expressing gratitude for the late pontiff.
Under the rain in Tacloban, standing with the survivors of Typhoon Yolanda, Pope Francis showed us what it means to suffer with others and find hope in the midst of pain.
Cardinal Advincula prayed that Filipinos will live the good memories and lessons left by Pope Francis.
Let us honor his memory by learning from his teachings and following his example of Christian life.
In Caloocan, a large crowd of Catholics gathered at Caloocan Cathedral for a mass in memory of Pope Francis. The mass was led by Cardinal Pablo Virgilio David. In his homily, he reminded the faithful of the Pope's message about the importance of tears.
It's okay to cry tears, and just make sure they're not tears of desperation or hopelessness, no? Kasi laging hopeful ang dating ni Pope Francis. At nabanggit ko nga, para kay Papa Francisco, mas makakakita tayo ng mas maliwanag kung hahayaan nating mahugasan ng ating mga mata ng maraming mga luha.
Cardinal David is one of the members of the conclave in the Vatican, the sacred process of electing the new Pope. He may fly to Vatican this Friday.
I wish makahabol ako sa funeral, no? Pero ang main obligation ko is to be there to join the conclave. Kasi syempre, yun yung prinsipyo ng succession in the church. And it is in the spirit of prayer na ang kailangang itanong namin, hindi ang gusto naming iboto, kundi ang gusto ng Panginoon na mag-succeed kay Pope Francis. Kaya malaki ang aming moral and spiritual obligation to enter into the conclave, not in the spirit of politics, but in the spirit of prayer.